Hello again, this is me, Dave001, with another unboxing for you today. In today's video we'll be unboxing a pair of headphones which I purchased from Amazon for 98p. However, I did have a £10 voucher, so there, here we go. Let's get them out. Here we go, the Sony foldable DJ MDR-V150. It's another bag. This one bag is enough. Oh, blimey. There we go. There we go. As you can see, you can fold them up, turn the earpiece round. It comes with a separate jack, which is quite handy. It says DJ for DJ use. And it says the same in a foreign language, but never mind. Here we have some pictures of how to use the headphones in a DJing mode, and it shows you it comes in many languages: English, French, Dutch, Spanish, Italiano, Portuguese, Polski, yes, Mayan, some other malarkey, and don't know, Korean, maybe Chinese. So I shall get them out later. Well, I should get it out now actually. Let's have a go. Oh, that comes off very easily. There you go. There's the spare jack already attached to it. Oh, this is a bit unnecessary. Let's open that there. There we go. It's unnecessary. Here you go, there you go. Well, they seem to be good. I shall give them a thorough testing out later or soon. Okay, thank you for watching, and I'll see you later.